Stereotype with architectures. Actually, we have learned a lot of stereotypes such as interaction, user, controller, stereotypes, and many types of stereotypes. It's based on the model that we learn. So today we have another types of these stereotypes that can be used for the architectures. Actually, we have subsystem. So the subsystem is referred to the subsystem. Any subsystem in this system it can be used as a subsystem, imbalance, surface, and we have another here a new type which is software schedule resource, which is referred to or describe the concurrent task. So this is the new type that we can use for we can use with software architectures, the system, subsystem, components, surface, and software schedule resource. Software architecture perspective view. As we mentioned earlier, we say that the software architectures can help to understand the system, also the design of the system. Since the design is, or the since the architectures is the first step of the design. So why do we need to study the system from different perspectives? Actually, you can imagine if you are a manager and you are assigned to tell the university, for example. So you have many people working with you. So your team, maybe if you start working without plan, without study the system from all perspective, maybe all your team will focusing on, for example, security. While the main issue is building the university first. Or maybe all your team focusing, so maybe all your team will focusing on the security, while the main issue here is the university building the university. Or maybe they focus on the environment and they ignore the other aspect. So once you focusing on all the system, different perspective of the system, so you can have a big pictures of the system and the design of the system as well. So here why we need to study the system from different perspective to an overview or a big picture of the system that can be used later for designing the system. The software actually here we should also study the system from different perspective. From for example, here the structure view. So anything is related to the structure of the system, the classes, the entities. So first it's the structure of the system. So the second one is the dynamic view of the system. So first, okay, before we do dynamic, the structure view here, it can be depicted on the class diagram or the structure diagram and the composite structure or the composite structure diagram. The dynamic view can be depicted on communication diagram, sequence diagram. Actually, both is can be used, but in this class we take only the communication diagram. And the lastly is the deployment view. And deployment view it can be depicted on deployment diagram. So this is the three view or three perspective view that we will learn for today, and how we can develop a system or how we can develop the software architecture based on these three perspective view. So let's see the first structure view of the software, the first software architecture, which is structured view.